This tastes like fucking grape juice. Oh, we live.
Yeah, she say my name. Beat her from the back, man could tell. Yeah, she say my name.
So hey y'all, so it is Saturday night tonight. Y'all, I thought I was going places today. I thought that I was running errands. I was gonna take y'all with me. We was gonna have us a nice little kiki, but that shit ended up getting canceled. So I took me a fucking nap. That's why I look like crazy. I probably like I've been crying, my makeup all over the place because I just woke up and I just slept in my makeup. But I was like, I don't know, like I still want to get a video out for my bitches. Like I still want to vlog. I still want to record something. So y'all know, like not last weekend, but the weekend before that, we had like a chill night in or whatever. So we're gonna do that again tonight. I don't know. I got some wine in there. We finna get wine drunk. I don't fucking know what's finna happen. I'm hungry as fuck. Y'all wanna know something? It is like almost 8 o'clock. All I've had today was a salad. I didn't even finish the salad. But I had, me and my mom went to Olive Garden yesterday. And we got like some salad to go. So I had leftover salad. And after I ate the salad, I took a nap. So I don't know, but we need to get our life together tonight, y'all. Like, I really need to take my hair down, but I really don't want to. That's why I got this headband on. Well, it's a little twisted up now, but just to try to make my hair look better than it really do, because this half up, half down is tired, bitch. She is tired. She is ready to come down. And she been holding on, girl. All this cap, my cap, I can like pull that shit all the way up. So she tired, bitch. But I'm hungry as shit, so I know I'm gonna have to cook me something. I don't know what's in there, but we're gonna figure something out. I want some cornbread. Like, oh, y'all, okay, so I hit 200 subscribers, y'all. Like, what the fuck? Like, I know that number is like so small, but it's like, I remember, like, I was talking to my friend the other day. I remember when I had like 6. Like, that's crazy. So everybody that support me, everybody that watch me, all of that shit, I fuck with y'all. Like, that shit, but like that shit is blowing my mind. That is amazing to me that I even made it to 200. Like, people actually subscribed. Like, some people I know, but it's like a lot of y'all I don't know. I don't know 200 people. But yeah, we're gonna have a little chill night in. I just really want to just open up the vlog and tell y'all thank y'all for 200 subscribers, because I really fuck with y'all and I'm really happy. Okay, y'all, so I told my mama I wanted the fucking garlic herb noodles. She came back with some cheddar broccoli rice-a-roni. Like, this is good, but I asked for this, but I'm gonna eat this shit. So I'm finna make some rice-a-roni. I got some shrimp. I want some more shrimp. Ever since I had that vlog, the one where I made shrimp the last vlog, I've been like addicted to shrimp. This is my second time eating shrimp this week. I see why people be going crazy over like them boiled shrimps and shit, because shrimp is just so fucking good. So I'm finna make me some shrimp, and we got cornbread, so I'm finna make me some hot water cornbread, and it's finna be lit. It's finna be lit. So y'all, like, when you making like shit like this, do y'all use measuring cups? Like, do y'all do like the actual instructions, or are you just like an eyeball bitch? Like, are you a measuring cup bitch, or are you an eyeball bitch? I'm a measuring cup, because like I've tried to like eyeball it and I always fuck it up. Like, the rice be coming out hard. So I'm like, how about I just follow the directions and then boom. Like, I be trying to be like, add my own little sauce to it and shit like that. I mean, I still do. No, not really. I don't. Not on stuff like this. I like just the natural raw flavor that it gives. I don't like to add stuff to it. But yeah, I just want to know, do y'all use measuring cups or do y'all eyeball it? Because I use measuring cups because I like accuracy. That's all I want to say. Y'all tried to stir my rice with a plastic spoon, and look what it did to my spoon. Okay, so I want to show y'all the wine we drinking tonight. So I'm finishing this wine. What is this? Gallo Pink Moscato. I'm finishing this. Yeah, I dropped the fucking cork in the wine. That's probably nasty as shit. Don't be me. So I'm finishing this, and then I'm finna start on this one. This is La Fantasia. I don't know. It's rose wine from California. I don't know, but I know this shit is good as fuck. And my mama gonna be mad that I probably opened it before she did, but I don't give a fuck. So yeah, I'm finna drink both these bitches. Is it bad to mix wine? Like, you know how they be like, don't mix dark and clear? Like, is this on the same level? we gonna see tonight. I had to get majority of my cooking done first before I started drinking because, bitch, I'm too hungry to be burning my damn food. And a bitch like me will burn my food. Alright. They ain't even give me no full cup, so we finna start, y'all. We finna get lit. Okay, y'all, so I'm done with that one. Y'all, I had to get an actual, like, glass because, I mean, like, I'm ghetto, but I ain't that ghetto. I ain't want y'all be talking about me. Oh, thank God this one was not a cork. I just had to unscrew this bitch. And, yeah, most of my food is done. Oh, most of my food is done. So, I can drink now. I didn't want to drink too much while my food was cooking because, bitch, I will burn shit up. Like this cornbread, I'm gonna burn the fuck up. Yeah, she's like, now I'm done with this one. Y'all hear my intro song? This tastes like fucking grape juice. Oh, we lit. I'm about to just take my makeup off real quick because I don't know. When I eat, I just don't want to have this on my face. Oh, fuck. One of my wipes dropped on the fucking floor. Now there's one wipe gone. Like, I just wasted a fucking wipe. Like, those wipes are like $6. Like, the fuck. But yeah, I'm just removing my makeup. I'm gonna do a face mask, y'all, later on tonight. I think I'm gonna do this one. This is a Dead Sea mask. I think I'm gonna do this one. But yeah, I'm becoming like, not becoming, I'm such a fucking homebody, but I enjoy this shit. Like, my mom, before she left today, she was like, did you want to go with me or whatever, get the house? I was like, nah, I'm good. She's like, you okay? I'm like, bro, I'm good. I'm chilling. I was in the middle of my nap, too, when she did that. So you really think I'm going to wake up out of my nap to go ride around? Fuck no. I ain't turn my computer on, y'all. We finna watch Marriage Boot Camp. If you watch the other vlog, the me chilling on Friday, then you already know how I feel about Marriage Boot Camp and Big Draco, and we finna see what this week is about to bring. But I need to set all of that up because when I sit down, bitch, I'm gonna be ready to fucking eat. I'm not finna want to do it the most. I'm gonna want to just press play and get to eating. Throwing bands tonight. Throwing bands tonight, shawty. Throwing bands tonight. I'm tripping. It's episode. I was like, I know I seen that. It's episode 6. Y'all, look at my food. It don't even look that good, but I promise you, bitch, it's busting. I promise. Oh, it's gonna be fucking lit. I'm fucking lit. Y'all, I done had 3 glasses already. I'm gonna have a 4th one when I do my mask. Big soldier. Right. Hey, my nigga. Big Draco. Yo, let me put this on big screen. I had it on big screen earlier and it was fucking up. Right. We out this bitch. Period. Cause this bitch. Fuck her, dog. Fuck her. Y'all, this nigga was lifting weights and this shit. Girl, if you don't get your ass up. Nah, but he didn't have to yell at her, y'all. He yelled at her because he thought that she was in this nigga face. But it's 3 of them. He over dramatic. Talk about some y'all eating nachos and shit. And now she crying and shit because he yelled at her. Bitch, get some balls. Y'all, what the fuck? Okay, so they playing this little game, right? And the question was, have you ever faked the orgasm? And Fizz was like, I'm lying. Yeah, I did. And they was like, why? And he said, because her pussy stank. First of all, I don't have respect for no nigga that talk about a bitch pussy stinking and you still fucked her. You knew her pussy stank before you fucked her, but you still fucked. So, you can't even say shit. Y'all, have y'all ever faked the orgasm? I have. Just to, you gotta get the shit over with sometimes. I have. So, y'all, like, on a scale of 1 to 10, though, for real, how important is sex to y'all in a relationship? Like, I'm gonna just keep it real with y'all. Like, to me, I'm gonna say it's about a strong 7. Like, 7.9. Because, like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, as a woman, I just feel like I deserve and we need to get dick down properly. Like, period. Like, women go through so much, like just being a woman, and like you need to be digged down properly. And I feel like I've been in a relationship with somebody that did not please me sexually. And like I have attitudes towards him for no reason. Like in my mind, you a bitch ass, well, not a bitch ass nigga, but you know what I'm saying. Like when you start talking that hot shit, you be like, but your dick is not even all of that. Like that's the first thing you want to go to when y'all get in an argument. I ain't never say that, but yeah, like I've been with somebody who did not please me sexually, like in a relationship. So I just feel like it's important. Like I feel like it's important. It's not everything, but it is important. But you know, if you grown, let me know y'all thoughts down below. Like, how important is sex to y'all in a relationship? I want to know. Right now, I kind of want to. I'm so sick of this bitch. I didn't want to talk about. It was definitely making me uncomfortable being so emotional in front of so many people that I don't really know.
First off, I want to say I'm sorry, baby. I came downstairs. I overreacted for no reason, and I'm sorry. I love you. My bad.
Look at her. Okay, like bitch, everybody else gave that nigga a hand clap but you.
Accept the apology.
Yeah. Okay. You was like, yeah, babe. Oh, dirty asshole.
I didn't think so.
Oh.
He can't. What can he do to make it right? Nothing.
I'm in love with my girl. I don't want to lose. I'm like, damn, she's done. Like, oh, but I done did all this work and all this, so it was that easy for you to switch up and be gone. It wasn't never real.
Right.
So lost hope.
Right.
That's a sad position to be in.
What's different about today?
I'm not gonna sit here and act like I feel like he's changing anymore. I don't feel like that, so I'm not going to lie to you. Okay, well, it doesn't seem right to go through these shenanigans.
Yeah, let's press pause on that.
Okay.
Oh. Y'all, okay, so they was asking Tammy and shit, like, how does she feel? Like, is she sexually satisfied and all that shit like that? And she was like, yeah, but she, like, been in a relationship with, like, her high school sweetheart. Then she met Walker, and she was married both of them times. And she never really got a chance to explore or go, like, out of her comfort zone. And she never tried, like, the whole girl-on-girl thing. And, like, she wouldn't be opposed to doing a threesome. I just want to know, like, how do y'all feel like about threesomes? People say, like, you shouldn't have a threesome with the nigga you in love with or who you were in a relationship with. Threesomes is for, like, throwaway niggas. Then some people say they like to have threesomes to spice up their relationship and, you know, to please their man and shit like that, because they know, like, niggas gonna probably cheat regardless, so might as well just be a part of this shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like everybody has their different views. Me, personally, I'm not totally against threesomes. I just don't know. It's like I'm on both sides. Number one, I never feel like you should, if you have a threesome, it should be because you have interest in fucking a bitch. Like, I don't want to, like, tiptoe around how I'm saying it. That's really what it is. Like, you as a female, it's because you have a curiosity or have interest in fucking a girl. It should never be because you want to spice up your relationship or because you want to please your man. So this is what you're going to do to show him that you that bitch or that you're fun. I feel like if you have a threesome, it's because it's what you want to do, and it's because you have that interest in, you know, you want to bust the hoe down with your nigga. Like, that's just pretty much, like, how I feel. I need to stop, like, I need to learn how to talk softer. But honestly, like, that's just what it is. Like, that's how I feel. Like, that would be my take on if I had a threesome. But then, on the other hand, like, people feel like they should just be for throwaway niggas. Like, you just out on your whole shit having fun. And you shouldn't bring that into your relationship. So, I don't know. I don't know if I would ever have a threesome, though. Okay, I asked y'all how, on a scale of 1 to 10, how important is sex. And then, I want to know, how do y'all feel about threesomes? Are you against them? Have you ever had one? You just don't play that shit. And then, like, another thing with threesomes, just, like, mentally, if you have a threesome with the dude you're in a relationship with, are you prepared to watch another woman please your man? Because that's something that goes into it. Like, are you prepared to, like, share him for that moment with somebody else? In Tammy's situation, I wouldn't have a threesome with Walker because, you know, of his history. Not saying that the nigga ain't changed or none of that and they not good now. It's just like, I feel like that would trigger something from that. I feel like that would trigger something for her, like, on the inside. Like, you know that, you know, he slept with other women and you seeing, like, the things he would do. It's bringing all of that shit to life for you. So if she decides she want to fuck a bitch, she just needs to go do that on her own. And I wouldn't bring that into my bedroom because, honey, that would trigger some shit for her. I don't see that being good. Yeah, and I feel like it depends on like your trust, your relationship, like where it stands, y'all history. It's a lot. Just, you know what? Just don't do it. Fuck that. Just don't have a threesome. Alright, y'all. So a couple hours went by. I chilled a little bit after I was done watching Marriage Boot Camp. And I even got up and I worked out a little bit. You know, did some abs, some ass. Because, you know, why not? Spring break is coming up. And, I mean, you want to be a bad bitch, right? Right. What the fuck? So, we're going to cater to our bad bitch. But yeah. So, now I'm just putting on a mask because that's how I want to end my nights. I had a good night. Like, honestly, I don't ever have to leave the house. Because just chilling with y'all, eating good, getting drunk, like, and I did all this for the free, basically. People go out and pay for parking. No, I'm just kidding, but yeah. And I need to take down this busted ass quick weave, but we'll do that tomorrow. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy like these like little chill with me's when y'all just chilling, vibing with me, then you know I'll continue to do them. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. If you haven't subscribed and you made it this far, bitch, subscribe. And yeah, thank you again for 200 subscribers. I fuck with all of y'all. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.